everybody. This is Paulina from Academic Technologies, and today I'm going to show you two cool ways of enhancing your presentations, your PowerPoint presentations, or documents, or anything that's needed of graphic elements. So I'm going to start showing you my screen, and we are going to start from there. Well, first thing I'm going to show you is Google Images. So we're here in Google, and we're going to click Images to see all the possible possibilities that we have with Google Images. Usually people don't know well how to search for pictures in Google, but that's going to be something that you will learn today. Okay, so I'm going to search, for example, for a football. Okay, just simple forward. So football. Usually I will get pictures like this one or this one, especially this one with white background. So when I copy it and I paste it to my PowerPoint, it will look like this. And I'm going to show you how it will look like. Let's say that we have usually a background that is darker, like, and if I place this here, I have, it's not a bad picture, but we have a white background, so it's not very good when that happens, right? So what we will need is to erase the background from our picture. And how do we do that? So we come back here to Google Images. The first thing that we need is high quality pictures, things that we can scale them and won't pixelate or blurry. So do you see here the tools button right here? Press it and you will see this drop down menu right here. Okay, the first thing I'm going to see is that I can search for different size of images, from the icon, which is very tiny, to the large pictures, which are way larger, and they work for printed documents. For web or for PowerPoints, we can deal with a medium size picture and it will be fine. The other thing that we need to know is the color. So color means not the color of the picture, but the color of the background. So if we choose the transparent as a color of background, we're only going to have pictures without a background because it's transparent. So they are more known as PNGs. That's how we know those pictures. And you will see that the background seems like it's pixelated, but it's actually a clear background. So now we can copy the same image and come back to our PowerPoint, paste it, and boom. We have a nicer, way nicer, more aesthetic picture without a background. So that's the first trick I'm going to show you today. Also, if you're concerned about the rights of usage of this picture, just click on usage rights and click the Creative Commons or commercial and other licenses if you're not sure if you can or cannot use this picture for your classes. Also, please remember to cite always when where you took your pictures from. It's a good practice and we want to keep that. The second trick I'm going to show you today is how to make your slides and how to make an icon move during your slides, because if you haven't seen it yet, we will have a series of 3 videos on how to make good PowerPoint presentations. And one of the principles of multimedia theory is the signalizing principle, which is basically highlighting and make your students follow through your presentation like a laser and a cat kind of thing. So how do we do this? We have another tool which is new, relatively new in PowerPoint, which is our 3D elements. So for example, I'm going to show you how this is done. I'm going to go and insert, and here you will see the 3D models. I will click through it, and it will give me many different things to choose from. All right, so I want to see some geology. Okay, so we have this. So you will see that you have in the center, you have a moving piece, so you can show different parts of this drawing, 3D drawing. So I want to start with a frontal piece. So I'm going to duplicate this slide, and in the second one, I am going to show another part of my drawing. So now I'm gonna see how is the different parts of my drawing. And now I'm going to make a transition between picture 1 and picture 2 that will look like image and movement. So what I need to do is to click on transitions. I will choose this one that is called morph, and I will apply in all of my slides. And now that Okay, now that it's done, I'm going to show you in the full presentation that. So from slide 1, slide 2. And at the same time, you can add some wording, and you can also have different topics to talk about. If the picture of what you're looking for is not in this website, in the image bank that PowerPoint has, you can also download your own from the internet. You'll have to find um, STL files from, for example, Thingiverse or Tinkercad. You can download any of those. If you don't know what I'm talking about, reach out to me, to Paulina in Academic Technologies, and I will explain you how you can get more pictures of 3D icons for your presentations. So I hope you like the 2 of these tricks. They will enhance, of course, your presentation, and they will make them more engaging for your students. So hope you like this video. Reach out to me if anything arises, and hope I see everybody soon with nice presentations. Thank you. Bye.